Yo, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years and we're doing this floor, or I am doing this floor at the moment, and bathroom at the same time, which is down here. And laundry. So yeah, in there, bathroom, front entrance. It's approximately 146 square meters. I'm just in the kitchen at the moment doing the cuts. I had a little bit of trouble getting here this morning. We were having a lot of rain and there is flooding. I had to take another go another way to get here, but it's all good. Good old GPS. Anyway, it's all good. I'll just prop this on. Yeah, so I've just taken out the dishwasher, so that's all good. I'll clean the floor shortly. So I've just cut this one. So these are what I'm going to be doing is having a toe kick tile there. They are actually getting the front of all the kitchen and the top replaced around Christmas time in a few months. It's a few months away, but they're going to have a new floor to start with. So lean in. There's a fair bit to learn. Please subscribe to my channel. Push the subscribe button, ring the bell, then you'll always get notified when I've got another video coming out. At the moment, I'm bringing out a new video every 2 days. Hopefully, all the DIYs, I can teach them something, which will be so neat. I'm quite excited because I'm actually able to pass on what I know that I've learnt over 35 years. So it's pretty cool. Some of my plastic clips I've stood on as I've been doing things, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. Try and sort of clean up a little bit as you go. Where's my rubber hammer? I've lost my rubber hammer. Probably around where I was working yesterday. Oh, I know where it is. I was bashing the bucket out. Yeah, so all I'm doing today is full-on cuts. Everyone's favourite, but you've got to do them sometime. Okay, I'll pop down another one or two. got a bit of water from taking out the dishwasher, so I'll have to just sponge that up. In a minute. Heavy traffic area, the kitchen. It actually acts the same as a pool room, actually. You know, like you bounce the ball off the pool table. If you haven't got good coverage of glue under your tiles, you're in trouble. The same as if you drop a plate in the kitchen, that can damage your tile, but something a little bit smaller, it will just break and it won't stuff up the tile if you've glued it properly. So you must make sure you've got good coverage at all times of glue under your tile. Look at that. Look at that. Beauty boy. Make sure there's no cardboard on my tile. I'm so lucky here because when I put in my toe kick, look at that. I'll put a bit of grout or glue through here just to help prop it up. So it's going to be so good. No small cut, which is so cool. You're not always able to wing it, but I have, oh, well, that sometimes happens too. Mate, your clip breaks. I was just saying, I've been lucky with cuts twice now, which is pretty cool. Once in the laundry, and now once out here. Always get it away from the edge.